There's always a scam to be aware of out there in the wild. And in this case, we've seen some Russians go to websites, fill out their contact form like this, and spoof an Amazon order requesting to send a replacement, but to a different shipping address. I'll talk to you today about what to be aware of and how to avoid this scam. My name is Stephen Pope, and I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. So there really isn't a solid solution to this problem. What I would say is if somebody comes to your website and says they've got an issue with their order and they give you an Amazon screenshot of an order, chances are they're giving a real order ID. But if they ask to go to a new shipping address, tell them no. And also tell them go to Amazon, amazon.com/contact. That is the best way to prevent you from having any onus that you're not servicing the customer. If they have an Amazon order and you force them to go back through Amazon, chances are FBA is going to handle that complaint anyway. Now, a lot of you are saying, well, won't they leave me a negative review? And yeah, that could totally happen from the legitimate customers, but this totally protects you against somebody going to your website claiming they have an order from you with a product defect and you sending a free replacement as a scam, costing you dozens, if not a couple $100 in inventory. So something to think about, something to be aware of. And in those contact forms, if the English is a little bit broken, give it a second read through, give it a second pass over. You don't want to give away something for free. Unfortunately, you can't add like a CAPTCHA or something to your site. I don't think this is being done by robots. I think it's being done by hand. And based on some of the language barriers, as far as we can tell, they're coming from Russia or Eastern Europe. So just one scam to be aware of. Don't fall for it. Again, send them back to amazon.com/contact. If you need any Amazon consulting, maybe it's just a question you have that you've got a unique situation, you could always book a coaching call at myamazonguy.com, and we'll happily help you out with any question you might have, or maybe you need full service, and we'll do your A+ content, advertising management, SEO, and more. Hope to see you soon. Talk to you later.